Hello everyone, I will be showing you how to knit the increase make one left purlwise, abbreviated as M1LP in patterns. I'll be demonstrating this increase in both Continental or picking and English or throwing. Let's take a look at our work. On the right needle, these are the stitches that we just worked. And on the left, these are the stitches that we're going to work. And right here in the middle of our work, this bar right here is where we're going to be picking up and purling to make our increase. So let's start with Continental or picking. We're going to pick up that bar with our left needle from the front. So we're just going to scoop it up from the front, and then we're going to purl through the back loop. Now to purl through the back loop, we're going to have to almost turn our work almost all the way around. We're going to go through the back loop, and then we are going to pull our yarn over the needle and through. And that is our increase right there. Let's try that again. I'm going to purl a couple. And again, we're going to pick up this middle bar with our left needle from the front, and then we are going to purl through the back loop. Just like that. Now I'm going to do it English or throwing. I'm going to purl a couple. All right, again, we're gonna look at this middle bar right here. We're gonna pick up front, and then we're going to knit through the back loop, just like that. And we're gonna do a couple of purls, and we're gonna do this again. We're gonna pull our work, this middle bar, we're gonna take our left needle from the front, and then we're going to purl through the back loop. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. So the reason why we pick up this bar rather than this bar right here is because the reason why we're picking up this bar rather than this bar right here is because that's actually a stitch. Here is the stitch right here, and then here is the loop. We can see it better in front. Here is the stitch, here is the loop for the stitch, here's another loop, and here is the line for the next stitch. You see that row right there, and here's another row, and this bar is what we want going to pick up. And that creates a nice invisible left leaning increase. Now, we call it a left leaning increase because from the front or the right side, it will lean towards the left. If I did a couple rows, you would be able to see, but this is where we did the increase right here. And you can see that little nub right there is going this way. Same with this, it's going that way. And that's all there is to it.